Hello, Tim's RV Tips here with another video about the van build progress report. So I've done a couple things here. As you can see, the windows are installed. I got 6 windows, Maygood windows, which I really love these windows. I'll get into the detail of how this install worked and just give you an update of how the technical steps were to get here. Obviously I have some work to do. As you can see, the red window here, this is red plastic that I used to replace one of the existing windows, and that's going to be painted with a polyurethane standard factory color. And now a shameless commercial about these windows, how much I like them. As you can see here, you have the bug screen on it, and you have the full blackout capability here if you want to go all the way up. And then I show here how you can mix and match. If you just want a little vent at the top or the bottom or halfway, you can do that. The window operation's very smooth. These are dual pane windows, so you get a lot of insulation value on this, but when you want to open up the van, you can really open it up. These windows will even take some light rain. Now I'm going to show you here what made this possible. This technology of using a high quality 3M product to remove the old glass and put new glass in. This stuff is like rubber tire, and when it hardens, very high quality. Here's the primer. You need to primer both sides of the sheet and then cut out the old glass. So this is what I used. It's a vibrating tool. I'm sure you've seen it, to get in between the glass and the frame and cut that old glass out. And then when you're left with these black plastic pieces, some of these were very hard to cut out. I had to use like a 4-inch razor knife available from Home Depot to cut away this black plastic on the sliding glass window. That was the hardest, the one with the sliding door. This is sheet plastic that I purchased from the salvage yard. It's a 1/4 inch thick, high quality plastic that will be painted with a adhesion promoter and then the standard factory sprinter color. So once the glass was removed from this window, I was able to take that glass and lay it out on the plastic and cut out an exact plastic template based on the window. And that would enable me to cut that window. Here you can see the old caulking. So then I used the jigsaw to cut out the template. I measured the window, what we needed for the new window, and cut that out of the plastic. Being plastic, very easy to cut, very quick cut, so it accelerated the progress. And then the new window was glued back on, caulked back on using that 3M adhesive and primer as I showed you. It fit almost exactly. Then insulation was applied. I used a 2-inch polyiso insulation, which is about a R12 or so, R13, and over the top of that then was glued the final wood piece, which was also going to be cut out for the window. You can see the pilot holes here cut. And then here's the final product as the window was installed, and it was caulked with a high quality white caulk, which is going to be blended with the white sprinter color, which I'm going to buy at the paint store. So if you like this video, hit subscribe, and I'll be showing you more RV tips. Thanks.